the FDI bonanza.
Indian manufacturer who's manufacturing in this country should be able to sell his wares whether through his outlet or through e-commerce.
Right.
All that we have done is to allow Indian manufacturer to be able to sell his ware through any of these platforms, or else what was happening at the moment was he was not being able to sell his ware but had to search for marketplaces which are being provided by other e-commerce firms. So this is just allowed him to, even if he's producing 70% of his entire produce on his own, and about 30% had to be outsourced, we are saying that that 30% has to be procured from manufacturing which has happened in India. So 70% of his own, 30% that which is being produced within India, and be therefore able to sell his wares in any conventional or through e-commerce.
One more clarification, ma'am. Again, this decision reflects a lot of reforms that have initiated related to FDI. But if you can give us a clarity on what is the stand related to multi-brand retail, is the old stand still remains? Yeah. If you still get a proposal on multi-brand retail, what will be NDA government's stand?
Let's see if there is a proposal. At the moment, there's nothing. When the compilation of the FDI policy was being made, we had explained it all. We are there.
Right. So basically, as of now, the policy is there, but you don't have any proposals regarding multi-brand retail. On banking, ma'am, again, you have allowed fungibility up to 74%. What made you have this change of mind of allowing from 49% to 74% in the banking sector? What was the rationale behind it, ma'am?
Well, the composite cap business was very well explained even earlier, and that's exactly what we have kept ourselves in line. Earlier we were hesitant about fly-by-night operators. We've just now opened up for it. That is about it.
Right. On defense, ma'am, again, another very significant and interesting decisions. Auto sector, up to 49%. It's through the auto route now, but many companies believe that till it is 51%, they will not transfer technology or IPR. Do you believe that there is room for increase in cap in the future? Or
No. What we have now done is one thing, but always, as we announced even the 26% earlier, if state-of-the-art technology is involved, we have said that 100% also will be allowed, but on a case-to-case basis. That stays. So if there is a hesitation that unless it's made 51% and not at 49% will we bring in technology, I want to remind those who are talking about it that if it is state-of-the-art technology, we've said even 100%, why 51%? Even 100%, but that will be on a case-to-case basis approved by the government.
Right.
Nirmala Sitharaman there about the pre-Diwali cheer that was spread with the FDI